Hello, we have to use the Shanghai Valley laser technology, complete RF model. This portable RF model is RF002. When you receive this model, please open the package and take the machine out from the package. Please place this model in a good place. We can see this model consists of 3 parts: the main body, the control panel, and the handpiece. First, we should add the water into the machine. At the back of the model, you can see there are 2 holes. First one is water in, the other is vent hole. In the package, it has the funnel and the water pipe. First, we should insert the water pipe through the funnel like this, and then we insert the water pipe into the water in. Then we should add the distilled water or purified water into the machine. We should add enough water and clear water into the machine until the water is out from the vent hole. Okay, just take this as an example. When the water is full, the water will be out from the vent hole. In that case, it means the water is enough. When you take the water pipe from the water in, please push the black O-ring, and then take the water pipe from the water in hole. Then we will connect the power cord to the wall socket and turn on the circuit breaker at the back of the machine. Now the machine is working. The water is running and the fan is working. Then let's see the control panel. You can see this is the key switch and this is the emergency button. After we turn on the brake circuit at the back of the machine, please turn on the key switch. Sometimes the emergency stop button has not been released. We should make the emergency button is released and then turn on the key switch. Then the machine will enter into the operation manual. We can see in the operation manual, this is for the cooling system. This is for the total counter of the handpiece, and this is for the worker counter. The worker counter means when you do the session, how much shots or how much parts did you use for on the patient's body or patient's face, like this. And this is for the time, and this is for the delays. The time, it means the working time on the target scan. The delay means the rest time on the target scan. This is the power. It means the power intensity for the operation. And this is for the clear. It means to reset the counter of the total count of the body of the model. This is for the standby and the ready button. Okay, so before we do treatment, I would like to show you the treatment tips. This model have two treatment tips. This one, the diameter is 50 millimeter, and this one is 30 millimeter. Usually we use this one to do the RF treatment or the skin lifting around the eyes, and this one is for the wrinkle removal and the skin lifting on the face. Before we do treatment, we should clean the patient's face. If we take the example for the face treatment, we should clean. We should clean the face of the patients. Then we should double the cooling gel on the target skin. The cooling gel can lubricate the treatment. At the same time, it will also absorb some heat generated by the treatment heat. So the cooling gel is very important for the RF treatment, especially for the something sensitive target place, such as for the nose, for the forehead, and for the firm place. We can double the cooling gel on the face and make it hair 2 or 3 millimeters above the target skin, above the face. First, we should adjust the parameter on the display. The time can be adjusted from 100 milliseconds to 5,000 milliseconds. But the time is less than the delay time. So if you want to adjust the time to 3,000 milliseconds, we should make sure the delay time is more than 3,000 milliseconds. The delay time should be more than the time working time all the time. Such as if I want to decrease the delay time to 2,000, it could be never happen because the time is 2,200 milliseconds at present, right? So we can know that the time will be less than the delay time all the time. So if we want to decrease the delay time, we should make sure the delay time is more than the working time. If we want to increase the working time on the display, we should make sure we should increase the delay time and make sure the delay time is more than the working time. For the correct or reference parameter, please see our user manual. And this is for the power. Usually, we ask our customer to try it based on 10 watts. If everything is okay, we can press ready. And we can test on the operator's manual or hand at first. We can hear there's some ding ding like this. Okay, when you hear ding, it means it's a 1 pulse period. It means it has the working time and the delay time, such as now the working time is 2,800 milliseconds and delay time is 3,000 milliseconds. When you hear ding, it means the treatment time is 5,008 milliseconds, like this. So after we adjust the treatment time, we can test on the operator's hand at first. If the energy is okay, we can do the treatment on the patient. It has two kind methods to do this treatment. First one is fixed heating. It means in the same place and keep the treatment heat fixed in the same place. First, please do the fixed heating from down to up, from in to out, from in to out. After you do the whole face and you have finished the whole fixed heating, and then you can do the second method to do the skin lifting. From down to up, from in to outside, like this. Usually, if the wrinkles on the patient's face is very serious, please do the same treatment for 3 or 4 times in the same place. Like this, the wrinkle around the eyes is very serious. We can do the in and out, from in to outside treatment for 3 or 4 times at the same time, at the same place, like this. Anyway, the best result is the patients can feel a little hot, and there's some reddening on the patient's face. This is the best result. If the result is not so obvious, please increase the working time or decrease the delay time or increase the power on the display. and to do more several times and ensure the treatment have achieved the good effects. Thank you.